Welcome to April the 8th. A day of creativity, wildlife wonders, and delicious indulgence awaits us. Let's celebrate each moment together. There's something for everyone, and these are perfect opportunities to gift someone, even without a special reason. But wait, if these gifts are too late, and you missed out on this opportunity, don't worry. We've got something special for you in 2 weeks, and even more exciting events next month. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. Let's start with our first event. First, it's Draw a Picture of a Bird Day. Unleash your creativity and celebrate nature's beauty by sketching the birds you love most. Sketchbooks or art supplies make perfect tools to inspire your artistic side. What's the most memorable bird you've ever seen? Share your drawings and stories in the comments. Next, it's National Zoo Lovers Day. Reconnect with wildlife on National Zoo Lovers Day and celebrate the conservation work that zoos do for the planet. Plushies or donations to your favorite zoo are lovely ways to honor these animal havens. What's your favorite zoo memory? Let's explore the wild in the comments. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss out on more amazing content. And hey, share this video with your friends, they'll thank you later. Last, it's National Empanada Day. Savor the flaky goodness of empanadas, and celebrate this beloved dish from cultures around the world. Baking molds, or empanada recipe books, are great gifts to try your hand at making them. What's your go-to empanada filling? Let's share our favorites in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You can find links to purchase matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, and in one of the next videos, the weekly upcoming events, celebrations of the 3rd April week, and the same days of May, so you will get the right gift ideas early. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We'll see you next time with more exciting celebrations and unique holidays. Stay awesome.